Every rainy season, the same story repeats. Families prepare not by choice, but because survival leaves them no other option. Today, in Bacolod City, hope is on the move. Hindi lang ito planning, this is real action with heart, ramdam, sa bawat street, bawat bahay, bawat buhay. This is Vera Shares, where we witness real leadership in action, right where it matters most, with the people. Bacolod is moving. Pinangunahan ni President Bongbong Marcos Jr. ang Oplan kontra Baha. Hundreds of kilometers of waterways cleared, 9 rivers restored. Ito ang malinaw na patunay aksyon na tuloy-tuloy, hindi lang salita. Hindi ito pangako sa future na pinangakuan lang. Ito ang aksyon na nangyayari ngayon mismo on the ground, ramdam ng tao at may resulta. Ang pinakatumatak, presence. Nandito si PBBM on the ground, nakikinig, nakikipag-usap, ramdam ang tunay na buhay ng tao. National government, local leaders, private sector, at communities moving as one. Walang silos, walang shortcut, ramdam ng bawat tao. Para sa mga pamilyang taon-taon na lang binabaha, ito ay higit sa infrastructure. Ito ay pag-asa na ramdam. Relief na totoo. Safe na hindi pansamantala at higit sa lahat, dignidad dahil ngayon, ramdam nilang may nakikinig at kumikilos. From enduring floods every year to aksyon na ramdam ng bawat tao, happening right now, dito mismo sa Bacolod. This is leadership that shows up, hindi lang puro pangako. Oplan kontra Baha proves that when the government listens, leaders are on the ground and communities unite. Real protection and safety follow. If you believe governance should be felt where people live, stay with me. This is Vera Shares, and together, we make change happen.